Hi Year 1, hope you're all okay. For today's maths lesson, we're starting off by doing a flashback 4. So this is just going through some questions about some learning that you've done before, just to see how much you can remember. We're going to start off here with the tens frames, and you need to work out which number the 10 frames represent. Okay, and then we've got 4 questions here. I'll just read through each one and then give you some time to have a go at completing them yourselves. So question 1 says how many fingers? So for this one you need to count in your multiples to work out how many fingers there are altogether on the hands. And question 2, it says use full or empty to complete the sentence. So you need to look at the glass here and decide whether the glass is full or empty. Question 3 says who is shorter, Amir or Ron? So look at the picture and compare the two of them. Look at their height. Who is shorter? And then question 4, what is 12 take away 3? So for this one, you can put 12 in your head and then use your fingers to help you take away 3 by counting backwards. Okay, so pause the video now to give you a chance to answer them, and I'm going to go through the answers. So with the 10 frames, we can see we've got one complete 10 frame here, so that represents 10, and we've got another complete 10 frame which represents another 10, so that's 20. And then this 10 frame isn't complete. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 10, 20, 4. So question 1, how many fingers? We know that one hand has 5 fingers. So we can count in multiples of 5 to work out how many there are altogether. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Question 2, we can see that the glass has got liquid up to the top, so it is full. Question 3, who is shorter, Amir or Ron? We can see that Ron is not as tall as Amir, so he is shorter. And question 4, what is 12 take away 3? So put 12 in your head and then let's count back 3 together. So 11, 10, 9. Okay. And today's maths lesson is all about making doubles. So when we are doubling, we are adding the same amount to itself. So here we've got a fish bowl with 2 fish inside, and if we were to double 2, we would need to add another 2 fish into the fish bowl. Okay, so we will be doing 2 add 2. And we know that 2 add 2 is 4, so we would end up with 4 fish in the fish bowl. So 2 add 2 gives us a total of 4. Now when we're doubling, we can write it as double 2 is 4. Or if we were writing the number sentence, we would write 2 add 2 equals 4. So this time we've got a picture of 2 hands and each one has got 1, 2, 3 fingers pointing up. So we are doubling 3. When we're doubling 3, we're doing 3 add 3. Okay, and to work out the total, or how many fingers are pointing up all together, we can add them all up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that tells us double 3 is 6. And we know that 3 add 3 is also 6. Okay, so this time we've got a picture of some dominoes, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on one side, and we are doubling 5 to work out how many there are altogether. When we're doubling 5, we are doing 5 add 5. And to work out the answer, we can count how many dots there are altogether. Or another way of working it out would be to use a number line. And if I was using a number line, I would start at 5, and I'm going to jump 5 numbers forwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've landed on 10. So I know that 5 add 5 equals 10. And double 5 is also 10. And then if I wanted to check, I could count up my dots to make sure that there are 10 there. So this time we've got some straws, and when we have a bundle of straws, we bundle them into 10. So we've got 10 here and 1, and 10 add 1 is 11. So altogether here we've got 11, and we're going to double it. So when we're doubling 11, we're doing 11 add 11. Okay, so here is my second group of 11 straws. And because we're working with larger numbers now, an easier way for us to work out what 11 add 11 is to partition into our 10s and 1s. So here we've got 11 partitioned into a group of 10, and then we've got 1 here. And if we add this 10 with this 10, we know that 10 add 10 is 20. And then we know that 1 add 1 is 2. So in our heads, we can now work out 20 add 2, which we know is 22. So double 11 is 22. And for our number sentence, we can now complete that with the same number. So here we've got a problem, and it's got an error in it somewhere. It says double 6 equals 16. So if we're doing double 6, we know what we're actually doing is 6 add 6. And if you're not sure what that is in your head, what you could do is to use some practical objects at home. You could count out 6 and then count out another 6 and work out how many you've got all together, or we could draw them. So I'm going to draw out 6 to start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm adding another 6. So I'm going to draw out another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To work out what 6 add 6 is, I can count how many I've got in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that the error is here, because double 6 is not 16, it should be 12. I can complete my number sentence here. If you don't want to draw out counters, you could use your number line in the way that we were using it in the last example. So if I wanted to do 6 add 6, I could start on my 6 and count 6 jumps forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can check and my answer is 12 again, so I know that my previous calculation was right. Okay, so we've found the error and we've corrected it. So this time the question says, Ali buys a jar of sweets. Each jar has 7 sweets inside. How many sweets will he have if he buys 2 jars? Explain your answer. So the important information is that each jar has got 7 sweets inside, and Ali is going to buy 2 jars. So really what we're doing is we're working out what double 7 is, or what 7 add 7 is. Because Ali's buying 2 jars and each one has got 7 sweets inside. So we're going to draw out the sweets and count how many there is altogether to help us work out double 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to draw the other 7 from the second jar down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then count up how many there are in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I know that 7 add 7 is 14. Okay, now again you could have used the number line if you wanted to work that out, or you might just know in your head what 7 add 7 is, but we still need to explain how we've got our answer. So how many sweets will he have if he buys 2 jars? So we know that Ali will have 14 sweets if he buys 2 jars of sweets, because double 7 is 14. Okay. Now here we've got a couple of practice questions. So you need to double these numbers here and write your answers in this column. And then here, complete these sentences using the pictures to help you. Then there is a video to support you on the White Rose website. So if you follow the link and find lesson 1, making doubles, and your silver questions are here. So you've got some pictures, you need to work out what double the numbers are. And here you're matching the doubles to the right additions. And here you've got to fill in the gaps. Okay, and then you've got some reasoning and problem solving questions for gold. And then a couple of platinum challenges as well.